Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I'm going to show you how I prepare my spices you can add inside your food. This is my ingredients for my spices. So here we have a coriander seed. Here this is star anise, rosemary, clove, alligator pepper. This is black pepper. So that is, I'm going to show you how I prepare my own. So these are natural spices we can be adding inside our delicious food. Thank you very much for watching. So I'll see you when we'll be using this to prepare our delicious food. Bye bye. Mwah.